Hi everyone, it's Molly. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. I don't know about you, but I am ready for spring season. I want something nice and bright and fun, and that is why I'm going to be using pastels tonight. I am going to be doing, I think I'm going to use purple, pink, and blue, and then have yellow as the accent. But that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the long, skinny canvases as a triptych, and I just want something bright and fun and cheery. So hopefully that's what we get out of this one. Let's paint. All right, hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. And I don't know about you, but I am ready for spring. I am done. You know, in Florida, it's not really a spring. It's kind of like a less hot summer, but still, I love it when the flowers are in bloom and the colors of spring. I'm ready for something bright and cheerful and happy. So I decided I mixed some colors and I did a sky blue light, an ultramarine violet light, and a Venetian rose, and then I mixed white with these to make them more pastel. And then I'm going to use white alternating as my base, kind of like inspired by the ones that Rinske does for her paintings, and just have some really fun bright colors in the middle. So that's what I'm going to do. And I did decide to add two darker colors, my blue violet and a bright magenta, and then a yellow orange, or yellow gold, I think it's called, by Amsterdam. And then I've got a little bit of silver, a little bit of white, and then a light yellow color that I mixed. So super fun floral type. That's what I'm going for tonight. So I'm gonna start, and these do have some air bubbles because I just mixed them. I think I'll start with pink up here. And you don't need a ton. And then I'm going to do my blue down here. Ooh, that's a little bit thinner than the other colors, I can tell. I mix now just by feel. And I mean, you can tell by the way that the paint spreads on the canvas just from pouring it, you know, how thin they are. But I think I should be okay. And I'm going to, should I pour the white now or should I pour that after? I think I'm gonna pour it now. And if these don't exactly match up in line, I'm okay with it. They're gonna get blown together. I just wanted to do something fun and something that is not a commission. I've been doing so many commissions, and I just finished with Mardi Gras this past month, and I did everything for somebody else. This one is just for fun and just for me and for you. All right, let me blow this out. Okay, I have blown this out, and now I've covered my sides too. I just ran my finger along, oh, oops, missed a side. Ran my finger along all the sides to get that covered. And then you can always touch up your sides later as well. So now I want to think about what color do I want to go first. And I think this magenta will be really pretty through there. And I still haven't exactly decided how I'm gonna blow these yet. On the ones that I've done before, I normally just blow up and down, but I may blow like really far up. I don't know, I may do this one a little bit more asymmetrical. I'm gonna go, I think I'm gonna go with this yellow next, like that. I am already loving this color combination. I think it's really pretty together. I was kind of worried about doing my purple next to the yellow, and I don't want the purple to be too dark. I think I will do one more magenta now. And maybe just like a little touch. I have this orange on the side, but I don't think I'm gonna use it because I really like this color palette. I really don't even know if I want, maybe I'll just do a few drops of this. yellow gold. Yeah, I do like that. Okay, and then my silver. This one I'm gonna do like this, all the way through. Oh, this, I love that color palette. Woo! Pretty. And then I'm gonna do the white on through here. Dripping it like that. All right, let me give this a torch. And you can tell me in the comments, what do you love? What's your favorite season? And what do you love about spring? I love the colors of spring. I like the different colors of all the flowers. I like things in bloom. I like pastels and yellows and pinks and oranges. All right, let me blow this out. Before I do that, just kidding, I am gonna put a little bit more pink. I'm gonna put a little bit more of each one to help it flow. I'm not gonna blow over. I get this question a lot. Sometimes I blow over, sometimes I do not, and it is whether or not I want the colors to mix and where I want them to flow. We'll put just a little bit of the white. Ooh, that's not the white side. That's okay. It'll get mixed together. Almost had a mishap. I thought I was gonna get through one whole video without a mishap. Okay, I don't know. Maybe I will just mix the colors together no, I'm gonna blow them out. I'm gonna blow them out. All right. I love it. So I blew them each, I tried to blow them a little bit differently, and a few things. My blue was definitely thinner. I could tell because immediately my colors started to blend a lot more down here. Now that's not a bad thing because I like the colors and how they blended, but if you're getting a blend like that, it could just be that your colors are just too thin. I love this color palette. I actually love all of these color palettes. I mean, wow, 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 wow. But this one, the colors pop really bright, and this one, the colors pop really bright. This one, I like the way I blew kind of upwards this way and then the rest of it down this way, and it fanned out at the bottom. I like that they are different. I like that you don't see the line of paint running through them. I cannot be happier with this one. I'm not fiddling, I'm not touching it. I'm leaving it as is. Happy spring to everyone. I'm so happy. Oh, okay. I just had a really rough go at painting for a while, and it just makes me so happy when something turns out the way that I wanted it to. So, all right, let me show you. Here it is. Look at this. I'm gonna try to go slow so that you can see all the details. Let it get in focus. And you can let me know which one is your favorite. Oh, I love this one too. And see, this is what I was talking about, how the colors blended a little bit more, but I don't mind that. See how they stay pretty bright? But up here they blended a little bit too, but this is because of the way I blew them and that extra flood coat I put on there. But it's a very subtle difference, but just because I've been doing this for a while, I know, wow, that one is super bright. Oh, sorry, I got excited. How about that? All right, fingers crossed that these dry well. I will show you the dried result. Here they are. I actually love them. There's this motion between these two that I didn't even realize when I was making it from the way that I blew them out, but I really like it. So here, I'll take you in so that you can see the beautiful details that are in there. And then here's the center of the blue one. And then here's the pink. I mean, that middle. Whew. I really like it. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Happy painting. Bye.